Friends, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. T.C. Paul. Today we are going to learn plural form of common noun and with common errors of it. Well, there are some common nouns are always used in plural forms. You can't use in singular form. And these common nouns are used with using as or all the cases as only. Well, these are the common nouns which are never used in singular forms. And starting from arms, in Hindi sense we say weak. Clothes in Hindi meaning is we say poshak. Arrears in Hindi we say bakaya. Tools in Hindi we say औजार. Binoculars in Hindi we say दूरबीन. Pincers in Hindi से सरसी. Shears Hindi से कैंची. Glasses in Hindi we say चश्मा. Spectacles in Hindi चश्मा. Belongings in Hindi चल संपत्ति. Doings in Hindi कर्म. Greens in Hindi साग सब्जी. Nuptials Hindi meaning विवाह संस्कार. The pictures Hindi we say cinema. Process in Hindi आमदनी. Vegetables in Hindi सब्जी. Thanks in Hindi we say धन्यवाद. Assets in Hindi we say पूंजी. Annals in Hindi we say इतिहास. Trousers in Hindi we say पायजामा. Bellows in Hindi से ढकनी मरना. Tongs in हिंदी से चिमटा. Goggles in हिंदी से कलर चश्मा. Auspicious हिंदी से तत्वावधान. Dues in हिंदी से शुल्क. Earnings in हिंदी से कमाई. Outskirts in हिंदी से सीमा. Riches हिंदी से वैभवशाली. Ruins हिंदी से ऑब्सेस. Environs हिंदी से इर्द गिर्द. Chattels हिंदी से सामान. Contents हिंदी से वस्तुएं. Entrails हिंदी से आंत. Vitals इन हिंदी से मर्मस्थान. Ashes और ashes हिंदी से वश्म. Fetters इन हिंदी से बंधन. Funds इन हिंदी वैसे मूलधन. Lists इन हिंदी मिल. Pioneers इन हिंदी से आगे आगे पैदल सेना. Seals इन हिंदी से मुहर. Shambles इन हिंदी वैसे कसाई खाना. Stairs इन हिंदी से सीढ़ियाँ. Amends इन हिंदी से क्षतिपूर्ति. Archives इन हिंदी से अभिलेख. Mains हिंदी से प्रेतात्माएं. Thews हिंदी से मांसपेशियों. Congratulation हिंदी से बधाई. Edibles हिंदी से खाना योग्य. और संदेश हिंदी से वस्तु एक साथ. Well friends, I give some examples of these words that can be used in different government exams in plural forms only. Arms, if I say arms, then giving an example in sentence, he gave me an arm. Your sentence will be incorrect. In this condition, he gave me some arms. Then sentence will be correct for you. Clear? Similarly, I give some Hindi and English meaning together. उसने मुझे कुछ भिक्षा दिए है. So similarly, when we talk about other words, your area is about 5 lakhs. So meaning will be incorrect of you. Your arrears are will be correct for you, right? आपका बकाया करीबन 5 लाख है. Is are about. So similarly, give another example. By the words I am giving example, I have some tool will be incorrect, some tools will be correct for you. Clear? मेरे पास कुछ औजार है, binoculars. This is my binoculars. Will be incorrect of you. These are my binoculars. Then it will be sentence will be correct. Then the sentence will be correct. ये मेरा दूरबीन है. Next one. As much as possible, within 15 minutes, I will give the examples, and after that, I will not give you. Do practice by yourself. Your spectacles. This is my spectacle. Will be wrong of you. It will be these are my spectacles. ये मेरा चश्मा है. Spectacles. If you say spectacle, that means it will be scenery. If you say spectacles, that will be two ways that we use glass. Next one, I want some belongings. If you say belonging, then it's correct. If you say belonging, that will be incorrect of you. मुझे कुछ चल संपत्ति चाहिए. Next one, you're doing is your fate. Sentence is incorrect. Your doings are your fate. Right? आपका कर्म आपका fate है, भाग्य है. तो ग्रीन्स this is a green vegetable. This is a green for you. If you say green, then that will be color. But if you are denoting vegetables, then it will be greens of you for eating. So these are greens for you. If you are using this is a green, then it will be color. If you are using these are greens for you for eating, then it will be these are greens for you. ये आपका साग सब्जियां है खाने के लिए. Next one, this much I proceeds. You want to know your proceed will be wrong, your proceeds will be correct. Proceed defines over here is a verb. The verb cannot be used as an object. So process will be noun, and this process define over here that amdani, right, earning. And if you say proceed means go ahead. So here proceed will be incorrect. Process will be correct for you. I want a trouser is incorrect. I want trouser should be correct. मुझे पायजामा चाहिए. It will be correct. This is, that was a thong. Will be incorrect. That were tongs will be correct for you. Here tongs वो चिमटे थे. Next, you give your due. Will be incorrect. You give your dues. Will be correct. Dues defined over here, shulk. Or let me omit all these words. Now, let me write, this is ashes here. These are ashes here. So ashes defined in plural form always. वश्म यहाँ पे है. So friends, if I go with that fetters, bandhan, there will be similar fund. Where is your fund? It will be incorrect. Where is your funds? आपका मूलधन कहाँ पे है? Right, not fund. If you are using fund, it will be verbal form. Verb comes in this place only. He funds here. He funds here. Then it is correct. But if you are using an object as your fund, then it will, your funds will be correct. Right? Your fund will be incorrect of you. Let me write here pioneers. All of them were the pioneers. Here if you write pioneer will be wrong. It should be pioneers. सब के सब जितना भी सैनिक है पैदल जा रहे थे. Similarly, I saw a stair in that building. उस बिल्डिंग में मैंने एक स्टेयर देखा है. It will be wrong. I saw stairs. उस बिल्डिंग में मैंने सीढ़ियाँ देखे हैं. सीढ़ियाँ, एक सीढ़ी नहीं होती है एक बिल्डिंग में. This like, right? Friends, let us come and learn some other words. Do you believe? On men's. If you say men will be wrong, it should be men's. क्या आप प्रतात्माएं बिलीव करते हो? ये इनकरेक्ट है. विश्वास करते हो. क्लियर? These words are very important for government examinations, government competitive examinations. He wanted, वो चाहा, some amends, not amend. It should be amends, right? The government amended. Then you can use amended that bill. Then it is correct. But if you are using as an object, then it will be amends. Government bill के he wanted some amends. वो कुछ क्षतिपूर्ति चाह रहा था. coming from here, these are, this is not edible. It will be these are not edibles. Edible word cannot be used in the object. It should be used in plural form as an object, not a singular form. Alright. In B section, section 1, using the plural form added with word as. But there are some words in section B of plural common noun: cattle, pashu, sheep, bheda, deer, hiran, gentry, सब लोग, पोल्ट्री, मुर्गी, पूसा, folk, जनता, people, आदमी, पुलिस, आरक्षी, कैवलरी, घर सवार सेना, इन्फेंट्री, पैदल सेना, पीजेंट्री, किशन, जनता, क्लार्जी, पादरी लोग, एक्सक्रेटा, मलमूत्र, इंसिग्निया, सम्मान सूचक, टेनांट्री, किराया देना, किरायादार, और एमेराल्टी, नन वाहन विभाग, और ह्यूमैनरी, कृषक वर्ग. Let me give some examples of this word. Cattle are grazing in the field. In the first sentence, you must not use cattle, should be cattle only. I saw some sheep. Will be wrong. Sheep, cattle, मैंने कुछ पशु को फील्ड में चरते को कुछ पशु फील्ड में चर रहा है, घूम रहा है. I saw some sheep, मैंने कुछ भेड़ा देखा. There is no deer here. So there are no deer here will be correct form. Deer is a plural form, so word will in plural form. There were many folk dancing on stage. So in that condition, sentence will be correct. Folk define plural, janta, and many define adjective, where with many you have to use where. If you say peoples are coming, sentence will be wrong. You have to say people are coming. Some आदमी लोग आ रहा है. Some people of Asia are here. When you are using Asia continent, then there should be peoples that define about the countries. कुछ एशिया का कुछ कंट्रीज यहाँ पे है. Clergy is praying in the church. So sentence is incorrect. Clergy are praying in the church. I mean पादरी लोग चर्च में प्रार्थना कर रहा है. In peasantry, there is no peasantry. Peasantry is here. It will be incorrect. There are no peasantry here. It should be peasantry only, not peasantries. Peasantry, as I said, in Hindi sense, we say what? It's a Kishan Janta. That Janta, when you say, then it becomes a plural persons together within that word. So once it is plural, then you have to use are. Well, let me write another word, admiralty. There is no admiralty in that country. So admiralty define our plural. So in that plural form you have to use there were. There are no admiralty in that country. As I said, admiralty means none Bahan Vibhag. So all these sentences are giving the common errors of it. Please follow the videos. It will be very good for you. And at the time of government exams or for the writing of good drafting, right? Government exams, good drafting, or at the time of communication, all these cases it will be good for you. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you.